Hello folks, today in this session I am going to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel. For this we are going to follow four major steps. So first we are going to download WordPress, then upload WordPress onto cPanel and prepare the WordPress folder and the database, and finally we are going to install WordPress on cPanel hosting. So let us get started. First, we go to the website wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. This would be our first simple step. Once download is complete, now our next step would be to upload the zip file onto cPanel. Now we open a browser and open your website cPanel. The format would be yourwebsite.com/cPanel. Now log into your website cPanel. Now once logged into your cPanel, open File Manager in a new browser. In the File Manager, open the folder Public HTML folder. The public HTML folder will be the publicly accessible folder in your cPanel hosting. Now click Upload and choose the file. Once the file is uploaded, you can close the browser and refresh the public HTML folder. Now right click on the zip file and extract to the folder. Now by default the files would have been extracted to the WordPress folder. So go to that WordPress folder and move to public HTML folder. Move all the files and folders. Go back to the public HTML folder, and here I am going to delete the uploaded zip file and the created WordPress folder. So to keep the folder clean. So now there you go. Now you have made the folder. Now we are going to create the database. Open the cPanel. Locate the MySQL databases. Right click and open in a new browser. The first thing is create the database. Give a name to the database. Create database. Now note down the database name. I'm going to use Notepad. So these we would require while install. Now in the databases page, locate the add new user. Give a username to the database. So this is a shared hosting installation, so the format will be your site underscore the database name or the username that you are going to give. So give a password. Note down the username and password. This you would again require while install. Now once you create the database and user, assign the user to the database. assign the user to the database to and give all the privileges. So that's it. So you have created, by this time you should have created database username and add the privileges. Now launch your website, that is yourwebsite.com, and you would get the WordPress installer page. So in this page, so before we could start the installation, make sure that you have database name, username, password handy. Click next. Give the database name, give the database username, give the password you have recorded, and let the host be localhost and give a prefix name for the tables. Alright, now you are ready to go start the installation, run the installation. Right, now we shall give a name to the site, WordPress newly created WordPress site. Give a username, password. I'm going to give a admin password, so better you give a hard to remember password. Strong, give strong passwords. Enter your email ID. Right, click install. So now that should install WordPress on your cPanel. Success. So now click on the login button to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. And your WordPress admin dashboard should sounds like your website.com/wp-admin. Yep. So there you go. The WordPress is successfully installed, and left side you can see the menu navigation, the right side the dashboard. In the navigation you should see posts, media, pages, comments, and to manage themes, plugins, and then users settings, like that. And then in the right side the dashboard, I'm going to remove all the widgets to make it look clean. Right, so that's it. Now let us see how the newly created website look like. Yes, so there you go, that's the WordPress installation, and we have installed WordPress on cPanel hosting. So uh, for a quick recap, the four major steps that we followed are download, upload, prepare. Thanks for watching.